nothing in here, so it's gonna be really echoey, but I did want to go ahead and film my empty apartment tour. Just got in my apartment. It's very spacious. Love it so far. One thing that I thought was interesting that I didn't know about, but it's fine, not gonna worry about it. It's my first apartment. Okay. All right, let me show you guys, okay? Let me show you guys. Okay, so here is when you first come in the front door, and then off to the left, you have this door, and this is my pantry, and it comes with a trash can for my valet trash, which I wasn't aware of because I bought a trash can, but it's fine. And then I have water and ice, thank God. Here's my refrigerator. Super spacious as well. And then I also have a nice size freezer. Lots of cabinet space, high ceilings. It is very tall, I really like it. And then this is my kitchen. So we have the electric stove top. We've got a microwave, tons of storage once again. And then we also have some nice little cupboards right here that are like open so I can store things up there. Not sure what I'm gonna store yet because I'm also kind of short. I do have a step stool, but yeah. And then I have some extra storage right there. I don't remember there being like Subway type of backsplash, but maybe that just came with it and I just overlooked it. It's fine. Cabinets, of course. Oh, soft shut. Didn't know that, because some of them weren't. We have our dishwasher here. Haven't looked inside of it. Okay. Sink, of course, like I showed you guys. Thank God I never saw if it was a detachable one, and it is. And then some under the sink storage. Right there's just a utility closet, and then we also have this space right here. Not quite sure what I'm gonna do with it yet, but it is for decor. And then we also have this little slot thing right here, so maybe I'll make something, I don't know, for like keys or something, I don't know. And then we come over here and I have my living space. Just as spacious as I remember it, maybe even a little bit smaller, but it's fine, it don't matter. And then I have a nice little view of metropolitan area, and there's a Target back over there as well, which is gonna be nice. I can people watch and see traffic. I also have like a nail salon that I used to go to over there, so that'll be kind of clutch. I can just kind of, honestly, I can walk. I'm probably not going to unless it's like warm outside, but I can walk if I want to. Nice little window ledge as well. And I love how big the windows are in here. Love that. Also have a ceiling fan, which is gonna be nice. And yeah, this is the living room. Then we turn around, we have a little bar stool area. I could probably fit like 4 bar stools, to be honest. I only got 2, so I might need to buy maybe 1 more. I feel like this layout is different with it being on this side of the apartment building, just a little bit different. And then we have my bedroom, a little bit oddly shaped, but it's fine. I gotta remember how they styled it. Like, I'm guessing I'm gonna put my bed over there, and then my desk over there, and then my dresser's gonna have to go here. I don't know, we'll have to see. But this room is a bit smaller than I remember, I don't know. Feel like they put some extra square footage in the kitchen. And then the one thing that I was gonna tell you guys, I thought that there was supposed to be a window here, like a big window here. And it's this tiny one. Again, wish I would have been able to see the place, but you know what? If I have a living room space, I'm probably not gonna spend that much time in here. And then of course we have the bathroom. Love the big mirror right here. Nice countertop space as well. Lots of storage to put things and things and things. I don't know what that is. They're probably caulking or something, I don't know. But yeah, Love this. Ooh, okay. Water pressure. Toilet, of course. And then here is the shower. Love the shower. I love the tile in the shower. Like, oh my God, it's so nice. And I'm curious to see what the shower head looks like. I hope it doesn't squirt me. Hello? Oh, hello? Oh, all right. Nice water pressure. Does it turn all the way off? Okay, good. Now I'm just gonna see. And then we have my washer and dryer right here. I love how they put it more like closer to the wall so that I can put some stuff back here, like some bins or something, because I was wondering if I could like push it over a little bit. I wonder even if I can push it back some. I probably could. And then we have the closet space. Now it is a little bit, you know, kind of like tight, I'd say, but that's okay. And then I have some storage space at the top as well, which is gonna be nice. And then I also have some extra space back here as well. So that'll be nice. I can put like my coats and long things here. And then just, you know, extra stuff right there. So love that. The shelves, it's gonna take some getting used to, but you know, I could probably put like some extra shoes on those shelves or like workout clothes. But just in general, I do have some room there to put things. Like it is pretty tall, so I can fit things in the back as well. I feel like I hear my phone dinging. That must be my mom. I have to start getting stuff in here so I can start cleaning so that she can come over here and help me put some stuff in. Oh, it's a decent sized room, not gonna lie. All right, so that's the apartment, guys. I'm so excited. Now it's just time to move in and really just take advantage of the space. I'm so excited. You know, my view, you know, it isn't the most perfect view in the world, but it's a perfect view of like metropolitan area. So I can see what's kind of going on over there, which is nice. And I'm not directly in the city, so that's fine. And also, you know, this is my first apartment. There's gonna be things that maybe I don't, oh yeah, love that. There's gonna be things that maybe aren't perfect, and that's okay because, you know, my first apartment's not meant to be super perfect. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is see you guys in the next video because I need to go to my car so I can get some stuff out and start cleaning this place. But yeah, I'm super excited for what's to come. Super excited about the space and having my first place to myself. I do need to figure out the parking situation because as of right now, I could not tell you how to get back to my car. But yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and click the subscribe button, like the video, leave any of your questions, comments, and concerns down below. And I'll see you in the next video very soon because I'm probably gonna just keep filming from here. Also, go ahead and follow me on my socials, aka just my Instagram at xjenna, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.